you ready to learn math from past school wizardry? We're here for you. We want to teach you not to be proficient, but to be mastery of the wizardry of mathematics. Doesn't take long, doesn't take hard. I've got people out there, I've got little ones. Goober 1, Goober 2, Fireball, Presley, Bacon. I've got all you guys out there, but I fooled you. I'm really headmaster of the past school of wizardry. Now I want to teach you mathematics. Some of you started with, and the rest of you I want to begin with. But how do we go about doing it? Well, we have a textbook. Got to come down here to get it. And you have your supplies. Could I have the? We're going to give you the magic markers, the volume 1, Cuisinart rods, so that you know this is it. This is the secret. This is the magic wand of all mathematics. If you could learn your 10 Cuisinart colors. Now, in the front of the book. Oh, by the way, we don't use pencils and papers here. That's if you want to do school math. We're teaching you wizardry math. Okay? Now, Tracy here is going to show you the very first page. And what page number is that?
This is page number 3.
Page number 3 is a helper page. You can take your Cuisinart rods. If you would take an orange one and put an orange one on top of that one, you'll find they match perfectly. Now I'm going to take you to the board. These are the secrets. 10 colors. White. Now if I just left white on the board, you couldn't see it. White and white, you can't see. So we circle it. So you see the white inside. Then you have red, light green, purple, yellow, dark green, black, brown, blue, and orange. 10 colors. Now we go to the 10 numbers. They're really hard too, guys. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that hard? I don't think so. But you never know. But we move at our own pace. So if it takes you a little while to work on it, that's good. Now the key that we have for algebra that we're using are the codes. A W, an R, a G, a P, a Y, a D, a K, an N, an E, and an O. And when you put them all together, you're going to learn a little mantra. It's called this. W is for white. White equals 1. R is for red. Red equals 2. G is for light green. Light green equals 3. P is for purple. Purple equals 4. Y is for yellow. Yellow equals 5. D is for dark green. Dark green equals 6. K is for 7. 7 equals black. N is for brown. Brown equals 8. E is for blue, and blue equals 9. And O equals orange. Orange equals 10. Now, 10 colors, 10 codes, 10 numbers. Does that sound hard? And we never use a pencil and paper. No wizard uses pencil and paper. This is the key to all mathematics. 1. The universal number 1. We add to it, we subtract to it. But all of our math that we're going to be learning revolves around this. It's called the universal 1. Every day I'm going to ask you a question. And I hope you can text it back to me, and I'll let you know if you got the answer right or not. Now, when you come, you're going to get a set of Cuisinart rods. You're going to get a textbook. And if you notice, the textbook has no answer pages. That's how simple this is, step by step. Now, Tracy took you to the first page. I'm going to ask her to turn the page over. Ah, can you see that page? Now we've added numbers to the code. So orange is 10. Go down the line to work with those. Can we flip the page? Ah, now it's with rods. You're taking a look at it as if it was a graph piece of paper. A different way of looking at 1 through 10. Okay. And now we start having to where it's going into the sensories. I want W is for white, R is for red, and you can go down that page, you can read it over. Review with your mom, your dads, your brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, grandmothers, grandfathers, anybody who can help you with it. Next page. This is the key page. This is the mantra. Once you've been able to say this, and I can see it either on the computer, you're going to get a Wizardry badge, a pin, I should say. There's 3 pins, a junior wizard, an assistant wizard, and a wizard. And those will be coming as you meet certain goals. Now, when you turn this page over, we now have it again, another way to take a look at it. Red, R is for red, red equals 2. Always different ways of taking a look at the numbers. From the very beginning to the end of volume 2. Stick with us and you'll be a lot smarter because you won't be proficient, but you can be a master.